Hello there and welcome to our channel. So Motorola is gearing up to announce a bunch of new devices in the coming days, but the one that we are going to cover in this video is the Edge 30, aka the little brother to the Edge 30 Pro. Now if you are unaware, the Edge 30 Pro has already been launched in January this year. It's a flagship phone that gets most of the things right, from the processor, battery life, design, fast charging, wireless charging, display and even cameras. Actually, camera could be improved. But anyways, the Edge 30 will be a mid-range phone with some pages taken from the book of 30 Pro. Noted leaker Ivan Blas via 91 Mobiles has released high-quality press renders of the Motorola Edge 30 showing the phone's full design. As you can see, it's clearly based on the Edge 30 Pro's design except for more flat design with rounded edges. It looks comfortable to hold because of this design. It has the same centered hole punch display up front and a triple camera setup on the back. The display on the Edge 30 is set to come in at 6.5 inches Full HD Plus POLED and offers a 144Hz refresh rate. It will rely on Snapdragon 778G Plus paired with 6 and 8 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage. This SoC is not that different from 778G, check out these benchmarks by Nano Review. The camera setup on the back is expected to retain the dual 50MP shooters and 2MP depth camera from the Edge 30 Pro. It will ship with a 4020mAh battery and a 33W wired charger. But unlike many top brands that no longer bundle charging bricks with their phones, Motorola is said to include a charger in the box. One render suggests that the device will come with an official IP rating for water resistance, probably IP52. As for the launch, they are yet to release any official information about the Motorola Edge 30, but there is chance that we will see it sometime by the end of April. With that said, we are at the end of this video. For more, definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.